Where's he at? Where's Joshua? I can't find him. Where's he at? Is he under the pillow? There he is! Where's Joshua? I'm looking for him. Have we seen him? Where's he at? There he is! Where's Joshua? There he is! Where did he go? Where'd he go? There he is! Where's Joshua? Where'd he go? Is he hiding? There he is! Where's Joshua? There he is! Yeah, you hiding under that pillow, aren't you? Where's Joshua? There he is! There he is! Where's Joshua? I'm looking for Joshua. Has anybody seen Joshua? I think he's under the pillow. Where's he at? There he is! Pillow may be a little too heavy for you, huh?